Hello, Della Do-It-Yourselfers. Today we have another food review, and interestingly enough, we have something I've never heard of before. It's a brown pear. I'm not sure what country this is from. I mean, there might be some in the description. Have no idea. Never had a brown pear, but let's give it a try. It seems hard like a rock.
Here's the package.
Let's hope we can bite into it though.
Mm.
Oh, you're digging deep in that one. It has like, I mean, they call it a brown pear, but it feels like an apple.
It's
like,
kind of the same amount of sweetness, but just a little less than your regular green pear. Yeah, it does feel like you're biting into an apple, though.
Yeah, you definitely get that main pear taste because it's obvious, obviously because it's a pear. But I do get like a hint of apple, and it feels like an apple too.
It's not a pear shape anymore, right?
Yeah, like based
It's
off the
orange
shape
shape.
and based off like how you like eat it.
Yeah, the first time biting into it, I was like, oh, this skin tastes kind of odd. But then, like, once you get past that, it's like, oh, it's okay. It's just a pear on the inside.
Like if you gave me a blindfold and like gave me this and I took a bite into it, I bet that's a really weird apple, but it's a pear. Because it does taste like one, but it has like the feeling of an apple. But I like
Very
it though.
crisp, very juicy.
Yeah, crispy skin, super juicy inside, as you can see. As you can see here, Meatball's flooding. But I would say this is definitely better than a normal pear. Would you say so?
Yeah, I would say so.
Because with apples, they have like really good like feeling and really good like texture in your mouth when you bite into it versus a pear. But
I need water.
it's like, but it's like best of both worlds.
Where's my canteen?
Oh, it's right. Oh no, this is Nick's. Never mind.
Here.
Here, bring it here.
Not that. I don't know where the water is.
What?
Where's this water bottle?
I don't know.
Right here. Oh, here.
Oh, here's says Alaska on it. That's cool. But overall, I would give this. Because pear is not my favorite fruit, but it's definitely a better version of a pear. So I'd probably give this a solid 7 out of 10. Or it's like an elevated pear. I don't know how rare these are, or like where you can get these, if they're just like in any local grocery store. But yeah, overall, I would give this a 7 out of 10. It's a better version of a pear, feels like an apple. Highly recommend this for people who love pears. Because if you love pears, then this may be your new favorite fruit. Who knows? But that's all I have to say. And it comes in this cool wrapping as well. It's like a waffle fry. It's pretty good. Now, would you say you're more of an apple guy or a pear guy?
Either one, but if I had to choose between the two, definitely apple.
Yeah, like I said in the video, if your favorite fruit is a pear, somehow, some way, this is like a better version of a pear, because you get that apple like texture and that apple crispiness, instead of a pear, which is kind of like a rock.
You notice when you got the package, the one in the center was missing?
That was you. Classic. I finished the video, by the way. Or it's not done, but I closed it up.